In this video, I will show you how you can sync contacts on any iPad. Now, as you can see on my iPhone, I have a few contacts saved on my iPhone. Now, to sync these contacts to my iPad, first of all, on your iPhone, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here, just scroll down and tap on iCloud. Now, from here, just tap on Save to iCloud. Now, on this page, just scroll down and enable Sync Contacts. Then select Merge. Now after you sync all the contacts from your iPhone to your iCloud, then on your iPad just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on your Apple ID. Now just make sure that you're signed into the same Apple ID as your iPhone. Now after that just tap on iCloud. From here just tap on Save to iCloud. Now on this page just look for the option for contacts. Now just enable the toggle for contacts. Now after that, you will sync all the contacts which are saved on your iCloud to your iPad. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the contacts app, as you can see, we have successfully synced all the contacts from my iPhone to my iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.